equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on maintaining your Torre Dell. Today, we'll walk you through the essential steps to ensure your device operates at peak performance. Let's get started. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a can of compressed air, a microfiber cloth, and some isopropyl alcohol. These tools will help you perform a thorough cleaning and maintenance check. Begin by powering down your Torre Dell and unplugging it from the wall. Safety first. Once it's powered down, remove the screws from the back panel using your Phillips screwdriver. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you'll need them later. With the back panel removed, you'll have access to the internal components. Use the can of compressed air to blow out any dust and debris that may have accumulated inside. Pay special attention to the fans and heat sinks, as dust can significantly affect performance. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your device. Next, take your microfiber cloth and lightly dampen it with isopropyl alcohol. Gently wipe down the surfaces inside the case, being careful not to touch any of the electronic components directly. This will help remove any grime and ensure a clean environment for your device. After cleaning, check all connections and cables. Ensure that everything is securely connected and that there are no frayed wires. If you notice any issues, it's best to consult a professional. We provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert advice without any pressure. Once you've completed your internal inspection, it's time to reassemble your Torre Dell. Carefully replace the back panel and secure it with the screws you set aside earlier. Make sure everything is tight, but be cautious not to over-tighten, as this can damage the casing. Now, let's move on to the external maintenance. Use your microfiber cloth to clean the exterior of your Torre Dell. This not only improves the appearance but also prevents dust from entering the device. Remember, a clean device is a happy device. If you're not comfortable performing these maintenance tasks yourself, don't hesitate to reach out. We offer a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. Plus, with our no calls, no travel policy, you can manage everything from the comfort of your home. Finally, once everything is clean and reassembled, plug your Torre Dell back in and power it on. Monitor its performance to ensure everything is running smoothly. Regular maintenance can extend the life of your device and improve its efficiency. Thank you for following along with our maintenance guide. By taking these steps, you can keep your Torre Dell in top condition for years to come. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.